Danniella Westbrook daughter Jodie Jenkins has responded to her plans to pose naked in new racy glamour shots. Former EastEnders star Danniella recently revealed she had been approached by a U.S. company to appear in some steamy new photoshoots. 3. Jodie has responded to her mum's plans to pose nude in new glamour shots. Credit, Instagram. 3. Danniella confessed she was taken aback by the offer as she approaches 50. Credit, Splash. Jodie, 21, has insisted that her mum should go for it, as long as she keeps up her fitness regime. She told the Daily Star, "I mean, if you've got a good body then flaunt it, as long as she jumps in the gym then go for it. I wouldn't say any different to my friends, so I wouldn't say it to my mum." While Jodie added that she doesn't think her own boyfriend would be very happy if she followed in her mum's footsteps, Danniella admitted her jailed fiancé David is a fan of the idea. She said, "We had an offer come in last week by a big American company and I was so taken back being nearly 50. I am looking at shooting some videos on there and it will be very racy. So, I just need to get my body into shape but am going to do it. I'm coming up to 50 and am going to represent the old ladies and go for it, being fabulous at 50. She added, "It will be a lot of lazy lingerie, a lot of burlesque looks, but I'm going to go risque and I'm going to go nude." Jodie recently spoke to The Sun about Danniella's relationship with David. Asked if she has met him, Jodie said, "No, not yet. I think, let her go with what she wants to do. She lets me get on with my life, I let her get on with hers. We have got a friendship bond, as such, so I tell her something, she tells me something, we are very open with stuff like that," Jodie said at the celeb MMA party at Lit, London, which she attended alongside her mum. "I let her get on with what she needs to do and I am sure he is a lovely man. He is making her very happy, so I've got nothing against that." 3. The actress revealed her jailed fiancé David loves the idea of her posing nude. Credit, Wiry Image.